emergency. Important details are following. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. All normal programming has been suspended. As United States supervillains that attacked Washington, D.C. have came back for us. But this time they're attacking all parts of the United States except Alaska and Hawaii. What's even worse is that the villain being selected by the supervillain, the Scarlet Knight, who somehow seems to be back from the dead to get revenge on the EAS for assassinating him. Just a reminder, the Scarlet Knight appears to be a citizen from the country Honduras. This villain seems to have the legendary Scarlet Emerald inside of his chest. He also wears black knight armor with scarlet stripes, with a dark crimson colored cape, as he wields a special kind of sword and shield. This villain appears to be very dangerous compared to the other villains, as he can enhance other living beings with his Scarlet Emerald, for which he is reportedly enhancing some thugs and bad guards that are working with him. It is advised that citizens should take these precautions, stay inside your shelters, and don't go outside for any reason. If you think you can't reach your shelter, find a nearby building and stay in there. If any of these villains see you or if you see them, run away and hide immediately. If you have a vehicle, get into it and drive away as fast as possible. Do not attempt to approach, apprehend, or even try to fight these villains yourself. Leave the fighting and justice to the heroes. Please stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Important details are following. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. An evacuation emergency has been issued for the state of Washington, D.C. The situation with the Scarlet Knight and the villains has escalated. The Scarlet Knight has been seen using his emerald to enhance himself. His wings have been reported to be growing in size, standing up to 50 feet tall. There have been some reports that the Scarlet Knight has been destroying buildings by punching and kicking them down, killing anyone inside them. He has also been picking up and destroying vehicles by stomping on them. There have also been some disturbing reports that he can shoot a huge laser from his mouth and destroying anyone and anything in its path. Citizens are now advised to evacuate Washington, D.C. Staying in your shelters is no longer declared safe, as the Scarlet Knight can destroy anything no matter how well built it is. As you begin to evacuate, be sure to bring a supply of food, water, clothing, and medical supplies if you have any. If you're having trouble evacuating, call 911 immediately for assistance. Be sure to tie a red blanket to your vehicle saying that you have evacuated. Evacuate Washington now. To repeat, evacuate Washington now. Please stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation. This is an administrative message transmitted at the request of the United States government. The supervillains haven't taken us down yet. The superheroes have all grouped up together to take down the supervillains, including Scarlet Knight. An ultimate war has broken out. Let's just hope the superheroes can defeat them. People should still stay out of Washington, D.C., and do not interfere in this fight. Doing so will only put your life at risk. Please stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation. by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. This is a national emergency. Important details are following. The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. Our world is slowly coming to an end. Supervillain has catastrophically failed at trying to stop Scarlet Knight and his team of supervillains. The Scarlet Knight is too powerful for them to defeat. Washington, D.C. as well as the United States are being destroyed as time goes on. The electric demoness has been electrifying everything in her path. The Iron Torch has been destroying everything with his super strength. The Freeze Framer has been freezing everything including people. The Fanger has been shooting and rapidly attacking Supervillain, while El Toro has been destroying buildings, cars, and even stabbing and tearing people apart with his horns. Commander Technikill has been sending out rogues. Mayhem soldiers, Power Politic has been shooting and killing people, and the giant Scarlet Knight has been destroying structures and buildings and blasting everything in sight. This is truly the end. There is nothing left we could do to stop these villains from causing more chaos. Please carry out the following instructions. Gather your loved ones and embrace for the coming end. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode if you want. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with the final playing of our national anthem. We thank you all for your cooperation.